breaking updates coming in. Pakistan has provoked for a third day in a row with the shelling. Yet again resuming in Rajouri. Loud explosions in parts of Jammu and Kashmir, and explosions have been heard in Jammu as well as Udhampur. These are the updates coming in. The provocation has been unrelenting, Major General, and it's continuing even now. But before I come to you, in fact, Tejshri joining us with that update. Tejshri, we've seen every single day the ceasefire violations have only continued. Pakistan continuing the shelling. What's the update on the ground?
Well, we are reporting from ground zero in Jammu, and in fact we'll show you the visuals as to how the civilian area in the main city of Jammu is targeted over here. You can see in the visuals that how this particular area is targeted, and in fact let me tell you that late night we heard the sound of explosions over here, and it was in fact also the drones were spotted over there near the airport of Jammu, and the drones around 8 to 10 drones were spotted continuously, and all the drones were shot down. Not just that, but in fact the drones were also intercepted here. In fact, we are reporting from this particular area in Jammu, where you can see that there is a huge destruction caused over here. The damage, the level of intensity you can see over here is so huge that the rooftop of this house is completely damaged, and this is another cowardly attack by Pakistan that is attacking, that is in fact targeting the civilian area. Not just that, but also there were multiple ceasefire violations as well. You can see that the rooftop of this particular house is completely damaged. The wall has come out, the wall is damaged, the wall is destroyed, and the intensity could have been so high because it has not just damaged one house but multiple houses as well. Amit ji, if you can come here and show the visuals over here, that what kind of situation is over here. There is complete panic in the area. However, civilians, the people living in this area have definitely vacated their place. But yes, what we got to know that there was some projectile because of this. You know, this is the condition of this entire place. This particular house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in all, 4 to 5 houses, 4 to 5 cars, all have been damaged. And over here, we will also, in fact, speak to some of the civilians who have been staying over here in this particular area and get an idea so as to what had happened over here and at what time this particular blast had taken place. आप यहीं पे रहते हैं सर? सर कितनी बजे यहाँ पर ये ब्लास्ट?
बिल्कुल, देखिए आपका ये तबाही का मंजर जो जम्मू शहर के बीच में आपको नजर आ रहा है मेरे पत्रकार मित्रों, मैडम, ये बहुत घटिया कायराना हरकत पाकिस्तान ने की है कि रिहायशी इलाके बख्शी नगर में ये हमला किया है और यहाँ पे दर्जनों जख्मी होकर के गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज में चले गए हैं।
सिविलियंस को यहाँ पर टारगेट किया जा रहा है
और पिछले 2 दिन से लगातार ड्रोन और मिसाइल्स के हमले हो रहे हैं और हमारा डिफेंस सिस्टम जो है, डिफेंस सिस्टम, हमें उसके ऊपर फख्र है।
Please request it.
एक मिनट।
So we have been asked to vacate this particular area. This is definitely a sensitive zone because what we are getting to know is that anytime there can be another attack in this area. That's why there's an alert issued in this entire area. People have been asked, the media has been asked. We'll definitely follow the protocol to not to in fact go close to this particular area. But yes, you can see that the kind of damage that is caused. We'll also in fact speak to some more civilians over here who are in fact asking. आप यहीं पे रहते हैं सर?
हाँ जी।
कितने सालों से रह रहे हैं यहाँ पर?
मेरे को हो गए 30-35 साल।
कभी इस तरह का यहाँ पर सिविलियंस को टारगेट किया गया?
नहीं।
कितनी बजे यहाँ पर धमाका हुआ? क्या यहाँ पर हुआ?
5:15 बजे के करीब।
सुबह 5:15 बजे के करीब धमाका हुआ।
हाँ, तो 2 बंदे जख्मी हुए, एक इनके घर पे हुआ है तो एक यहाँ हुआ है।
यहाँ के 2 लोग जख्मी हुए हैं। जी, रात भर यहाँ पर लगातार फायरिंग की आवाजें और धमाकों की आवाजें
आ रही थी। सुबह तो बहुत आ रही थी,
बहुत ज्यादा आवाजें आ रही थी। लेट अस गो टू फ्यू मोर इंडिविजुअल्स। वील आल्सो, आपको चोट लगी थी सर? क्या हुआ था सर? आप कहाँ पर थे?
अंदर से
जी, अंदर टूटा हुआ है ना सारा। लेंटर भी टूटा हुआ हमारा अंदर से।
जी, तो क्या हुआ, क्या था? किस तरह कुछ प्रोजेक्टाइल आया था? क्या वो कुछ पता चला आपको?
कुछ हमें अंदर समझ ही नहीं आई हुआ क्या। वो
समझ नहीं आई है कुछ नहीं क्या हुआ।
कहाँ
मोबाइल देख रहा था ना।
सिर पे लगी है।
आपकी भी सिर पे चोट लगी है, खून निकला? सर पहले आप लोग कितने समय से रह रहे हैं यहाँ?
Okay.
इधर तो
Big breaking